Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Tuesday 10th December 2024. 9th December 2024 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. 3 hot number member only prediction boom number 12, number 24 and number 35. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today lunchtime prediction number first number 15, number 33, number 26, number 5, number 43, booster number 38. Today UK 49 tea time prediction number first number 2, number 17, number 28, number 32, number 42, booster number 27. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel. Good luck, see you soon next video and bye bye.